Cat. Today I am going to show you how to make an animation. And I will name this animation just a show. I don't know. And I'm going to make the frames per second lower. And technically when you lower these, it means you need to make more frames. If I went to 12, I would need to make 12 frames to make a second. With 5, I just need 5 to make 1 second, which is kind of fun. And yeah, I can choose a background if I want to, but I'm just going to stick with the regular one. Because yeah, it's just a demonstration. Now why don't I make some little music to set off what we're supposed to be doing. So I'm gonna make some music with this. And the door. Why is it not? It says press and hold to do this. I guess we're not never doing music for this. So let's have a bunch of these. Let's get enough to at least make. Let's make 7 seconds. You know, that seems alright. Let's see if I can do it now. It doesn't even let me start it. Maybe it's because I'm recording this. Let's see if I can get some seconds of this. No, all of them are too short. Either too short or too long. Oh, there it is. No, I'm not gonna do this. So yeah, I'm gonna go the first frame. And just the normal background noises. So let's just make a little face to demonstrate this. And boom. Not the most even circle. I guess this is like, yep. Come on. Okay, so let's just make some 2 eyes. And we're just gonna have copy that, and then we can continue pasting it, and then just do that, right? Just paste it, and we will erase this. Which I think we need to shorten this thing down a little bit. Okay. Ooh.
Style shouldn't come at a cost. Not with your kids out.
Okay, sorry. I think I forgot this works. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, it takes a little. And then you can see, like, ooh. I can add music later. And I could just continue copying and pasting, which would be kind of fine. But I kind of want to do this without copying or pasting. Oh, dang it. I forgot to paste this. There we go. Just gonna make sure to erase all of it. Yeah, just want to make sure about this. Because, yeah, it takes 5 of these to make 1 single second. And I forgot to copy and paste again. So I have to go back here. Just erase the entire thing. Feeling I'd just do this if I'm not sure. Then we just copy that. Yeah, I could do this just with the mouth in that short place and then just continue doing it, which probably would have been faster. But we're gonna do it this way. And yeah, technically this is how you do it. I can show you a little slide. Oh. Why is it even at 100? It doesn't work. There we go. Yeah, that's kind of how it works. So to make 1 second, you would need 5 of these frames. So if I draw this 5 frame, we would have 1 second. See? If you looked at the corner, you could see that. But yeah, that's kind of how you make an animation in flip a clip. Flip a clip. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, that's kind of how you do it. You can use as many frames per second as you want, but I prefer to use 5 because that way you don't need too many to make a lot of seconds. But yeah. So yeah, that's all I have, and goodbye.